Some of you may be wondering, why is she fetching water at this time of the night? But that is not the point here.
The point is, I am not a real human. I was made with AI. Yes, free AI tools. My mistress will show you 5 free AI tools you can use to achieve this. She will take over from me now.
I would encourage us to watch this video without skipping any single part, because you may be missing out on some very important points if you skip, even if it is 1 second of this video. And I'm going to show us how to use these AI tools to get the best out of them. Some of the AI tools I'll be sharing in today's video are unlimited and free, and even those ones that are not unlimited, I'll show us how to use them so that you get the best out of them, even though they are not unlimited. Do you understand? So that's why you shouldn't skip any single part of this video. So the first free AI tool we are looking at is the one most of us are very familiar with, and that is Google Flow AI. So you come to your browser, you type Google Flow AI, you select this one, and then you choose this particular one, you click on it. Now, if it is your first time using it, you'd have to sign in or log in with your Google account. And once you log in, it will bring out this. Just scroll up, click on continue, and it will bring you to your dashboard. Now you guys can see that I've been using this AI tool a lot. All right, now if you come to this upper part, this place that there is your email address, you click on it, you see that I have 50 credits. But if you sign up for the first time, they will give you 150 credits, and that 150 credits can generate up to 15 videos for you. Then as you keep using it, they will now be giving you 50 credits every day. Okay, now there's something very important I want us to know about this Google AI Flow. Sometimes they give bonuses and sometimes they give you free credits. So if you come to this part, you can see my plans here. I don't really have much bonuses or much free credits here because I've been using this AI tool a lot with different emails. So if you come to this place now, you can see that they are even offering me discounts of 14,250 instead of paying 28,500 for 1 month. Right now, they said I can pay 14,250 for 2 months. But you check your own, you may be among the lucky people that they would give 0 naira. There are sometimes that they'll just give 0 naira for the whole month and they'll give you 1,000 credits, right? So check your own. I know many people don't even click on that upgrade to see what is there, but click there, you may get something. There are sometimes they will give 90% off and you'll be asked to pay only 10% of the actual monthly fee. So if you get that, take advantage of it. And then once you subscribe, you can always cancel after 24 hours. And canceling doesn't mean that they will take away the credits. You still have your 1,000 credits and you can still keep using your 1,000 credits for the whole month, even though you have cancelled. Because trust me, this is usually different for different people. And I speak from experience because I use different devices and different emails to log in, and I have seen that sometimes they may be offering some juicy, things for this particular device. And then when I log into this device and I check all my emails, I don't see any of those bonuses. So check yours. You may just be lucky. So once you are logged in, come to this down part and click on this new project. Okay, so once you click on it, it will open up this place for you, and then you'd have to come down again to this place and click on this video. When you click on it, you can see image, you can see video. You only select image when you are generating images, because remember, you can generate unlimited number of images with your Google Flow. But since you are focusing on video today, you select video. Then you come down to this second line, you select ingredients to video. You only select frames to video when you have an opening frame and a closing frame. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to use that frames to video in my next tutorial, which is going to be a very interesting one. You don't want to miss out on that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, click the notification bell so that when I drop that video, you'll be the first to get notified and you can watch it, okay? All right, so you select ingredients to video, and then in the third line, you can see aspect ratio 90:16, 16:9. Select 16:9 aspect ratio because we are creating a video for YouTube. In the fourth line, you can see this ×1, ×2, ×3, ×4. This shows the number of videos you can create per time. But since we are managing credits here and we are creating videos, we select only 1. Don't select 2 or 3 because you are going to end up wasting your credits. Then you come to the last line. This place, when you click on it, you select View 3.1 Lite. That is the one that will consume the least amount of credits. It consumes only 10 credits per time. If you select Omni Flash or View 3.1 Fast, they are going to consume more credits. After that, come to this place that says, what do you want to create? This is where you are going to paste in your prompt. And then this place that there is the plus sign, you're going to click on it to import the image that you want to animate. So I will click on this plus sign here and then come up here and click on upload media, and it will bring me to my gallery, my phone gallery, and I will choose an image I want to animate. So let's assume that this is the image I want to animate. I'll just click on it and then click on done, and I'll wait for it to load. So once it's visible, you come to this place now, and then you have to type in the prompt of what you want your image to say. So I typed in this prompt. The king says to the man in an authoritative, displeased voice, "You are a disgrace to the kingdom, you shall be punished." The man with head bowed says to the king, "Please forgive me, my lord, I shall not default again, I promise." Right after that, I'll just go ahead and click on send and wait for Flow to generate the video for us. Now, it doesn't really take time, it's quite fast, and you just have to be a little bit patient. If you are using the plus or the paid plan, it's even faster. Okay, now our video is ready, so I'll just click on it and come over to this upper part and click on this download arrow and then download it to our device. So let me open it and play it for you guys to see.
"You are a disgrace to this kingdom. You shall be punished. Please forgive me, my lord. I shall not default again, I promise."
So can you guys see that? That was so good. Okay, so that's basically how to use Google Flow AI to generate your videos. Now let's go to the second AI tool, and this one, you come to your browser and you search for Digen AI. Now this Digen AI is not the Digen AI most of you already knew. They did a major upgrade to their app, and this particular one is just like the new Grok now. So you want to pay very close attention to this app and how to use it. Now come to your browser and search for Digen AI. Use the web version. Don't go downloading the app. The app will not give you what the web version would give you. So once you type on it, you select this one and then you open it. Now if you open it, this is what it looks like. You'd have to sign in or log in with your Google account, and after logging in, it should look like this. So once you are here, you click on this particular icon here. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this place that you'd get to see how many credits you have. Now you can see that I currently have 360 credits. Right now, once you log in, they are going to give you 300 credits, and with each video you generate, they cut 20 credits. Now if you log in every day, they are going to keep upgrading the credits. I think they give like 120 credits or 200 credits every day that you log in. So just even if you're not creating, log in every day to claim your credits, so that when you need it, you are going to have a lot of credits to work with. Okay, so once you are here, click on this box sign. Once you click on it, it will bring you to your phone gallery, and you get to import the image you want to animate. For me, it is still this same image, so I will import it. Click on done and wait for it to load. While it's loading, I would click on prompt and type in my prompt. I'm using the same prompt. Now Digen AI generates 5 seconds video at a time, so because of that, we don't want to bombard it with so many things to say. So I'm going to delete what the second man says here, because it will still eventually cut it off if I put this whole prompt, or it will just scatter everything. Now Digen AI also has an opening and ending frame, and that is one very good thing I love about it too. And it generates 480p videos for you, which is also not bad. After that, you just go ahead and click on good, and then we go ahead and click on generate video and wait for it to generate. This place now is showing that it will take 5 minutes for you to generate this video for us. Okay, so we just exercise patience and wait for it. Okay, now our video is ready. Now once your video is ready, click here to download your video to your device, and now let me play the result for you guys to see.
"You are a disgrace to this kingdom. You shall be punished."
Okay, now can you see that? That was so good. Now there's something it did that I don't really like, which is that it went ahead and zoomed in the video. I didn't ask it to zoom in the video for us, right? So I'm going to go back and reprompt it again. But before I do that, you can notice that Digen comes with this big watermark, and that one shouldn't be a problem. When you're editing your video, you can just cut it off or slightly zoom in to remove that watermark. Okay, if instead of always having to log into this app through your web browser, you can just click on these 3 lines here and click on add to home screen, and then click on install, and go ahead and install it as an app to your phone if you are using your phone for this, right? Okay, so now after you've installed it, we'll now come back and reprompt this particular video that we created. So I'll still come back, click on this place to import the image again, and then I'll click on prompt, and I'll paste the prompt again, and then I added camera static, no zoom in. I'll go ahead and also click on good, click on generate video, and wait for it to generate the second video for us, and let's see what it looks like. Now the video is ready. Let me play it.
You are a disgrace to this kingdom. You shall be punished.
Okay, now can you guys see that there was no zooming in again? The camera was static. So one thing I've noticed with this Digen AI is that your prompting is very important. So anything you don't want, just put it in your prompt, and whatever you want, put it in your prompt. So try to be as instructive as possible in your prompting, because it's obvious that it's what you give it in the prompt that it will adhere to, as you guys just saw. All right, so now let's move on to the third free AI tool. You come to your Play Store or your App Store and look for this app called Qwen. You download it. My own even needs an update, so let me just quickly update it. Okay, so after downloading it, you open it, and then you come to this down part. You see this plus sign, you click on it. When you click on it, scroll up and look for create video. This create video, you select it, and after selecting it, see that, make sure that this particular icon is showing. This is very important, because if it's not showing, whatever you import is going to give you an image or something that you don't want. Okay, now you click on this plus sign to import the image that you want to animate. In our own case, it's this particular one here, so I'll still select it and click on add one photo. Okay, and then wait for it to load. Now once it's loaded, we are going to still paste our prompt here. Now Qwen AI generates 5 seconds video at a time, so I'm still going to cut off the second part, because it's still going to cut it off even if I don't remove the second part, or it will just end up generating nonsense because I gave it a long prompt. So to avoid mistakes, and remember, this one even allows you to generate, I think, only 5 videos in a day. Remember, we are not here to be wasting our credits. We want to make sure that once we put in that first prompt, to get the results right. I'll also go ahead and click on send and wait for it to generate the video for us. Now, one very important thing we should know about Qwen is that when it's generating the video for you, please don't close the page. If you close it, it may give you an error message, and you don't want that. Okay, now the video is ready. I'll just click on it and come to this down part, click on this download arrow, and download the video to my device. Let me play the results for you guys to see.
You are a disgrace to this kingdom. You shall be punished.
Okay, so what do you guys think about that? Which one do you prefer between it, Google Flow, and Digen AI? Tell me what you think in the comment section. So this Qwen AI doesn't come with any watermark. That's one good thing about it. There's no single watermark to it. Now let's go to the fourth AI tool. This one, you come to your YouTube. Yes, this particular YouTube that you are watching this video on right now, they have their own AI tools that is free. The only issue with this particular one is that you can only generate videos in 9:16 aspect ratio. You can't generate videos in 16:9 aspect ratio, but trust me, you can do a lot with this particular AI tool. And you know, right now you can even generate your videos in 9:16 aspect ratio, long videos, and you post them on YouTube, and you still monetize them on YouTube. So you mustn't, YouTube is not just about 16:9 aspect ratio. Do you understand? Yeah. So you come to your YouTube app, and then you click on this plus sign where you always click on to upload your videos to YouTube, right? So once you click on it, make sure that you are selecting this short part. It should not be under video, live, or post. So once you select short, come up to this upper part, you will click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this place. Now go ahead and click on this plus sign, and then click on add image, and it will bring you to your device, and you select the image that you want to animate. So this goes to show that whatever image you want to animate, you have to generate the image in 9:16 aspect ratio. So I'm going to choose an image that looks like 9:16 aspect ratio. We are not going to use the image we've been using for the other examples, because you can see that it cut off the king and cut off the man, and I wonder what the video will now look like. So I'll select this one, and then this place that says describe your idea, this is where I'll be pasting my prompts. Okay, now this one, I don't need to cut off the second part, because this particular AI tool can generate up to 8 seconds video for you. So I'll just go ahead and click on send and wait for it to generate the video for us. And it's also quite fast in generating the videos. It doesn't really take much time. And I think this AI tool is almost unlimited, because, you know, I've not hit the limit yet. So if you have hit the limit using this YouTube app, please let us know in the comment section. Now look at the video it generated for us.
You are a disgrace to this kingdom. You shall be punished. Please forgive me, my lord. I shall not default again, I promise.
Okay. So what do you guys think about this? This is good, you guys. This is good. Okay, so after that, just click on this place to download your video to your device. Don't upload it directly to YouTube, because you'd have to still generate a lot of clips and then edit it properly before uploading it on YouTube, if you are going to be uploading it on YouTube. Now, the last AI tool we'll be looking at today is this particular one is actually free and unlimited as of today that I'm making this video. Okay, so pay very close attention. Let me show you how to use it. The only problem with this AI tool is that it doesn't talk. But trust me, you can do a whole lot with this AI tool. So come to your browser and type this aistudio.tencent.com. Exactly the way I type it here. It will bring you directly to this website, to directly open up the website for you. Now, it will be in Chinese, but just click on translate. Once you click on translate, it will translate everything to English for you, okay? And then you can see, hello, I am Hunyuan. So this is actually Hunyuan AI. Then you click on these three dots here if you are using your phone, and make sure you select desktop site so that you'll be able to use it on your phone. If you're using your computer, there's no need for this. Now, once you are here, come to this side and then choose this particular one, multimedia experience. Once you select it, now you have to shift to this side. If you are using your phone, depending on the type of phone you are using, you may have some issues whereby all the boxes will not be fully displayed. But this is the one we are choosing, this particular one. Now that my phone is cutting off, that is the one you are going to select. Okay, so once you select it, it will bring out this place for you where you would be asked to sign in. Select mail, and this place that there is, please enter your email address. You are going to put in your email address here, and once you put in your email address here, you now click on this get verification code, and they will send you a verification code to the email address that you put here, and then you go ahead and enter that verification code under this place that says please enter the email verification code. After entering it, just go ahead and click on login, and you are in. Okay, now once you are in, still come back to this particular one that they are cutting off and still click on it again, and then it will open up this place for you. Now once you are here, you can see resolution. Now if you click on this resolution, you can see the different resolutions that you can pick from. So I'm just going to leave my own at 720p. You can even pick 1080p, and then I'll click on this place that says drag and drop, and let me select this Obinna. You guys remember the lover boy? Okay, so I'll select it and wait for it to upload. Now while it's uploading, I'll come back to this place that says please enter your prompt, and I'll paste my prompt. Okay, so this prompt, let me quickly edit it. He carefully aims and forcefully shoots the arrow. So that's the prompt I put here, and it's still uploading. Just be patient and wait for it to upload. When you are using free things, you have to learn how to be patient. If not, go for the paid plans. All right, now after uploading, you come down to this down part, and then you click on generate immediately and wait for it to generate the video for you. Okay, you can see it's generating. It even says task queued. All right, the video is ready, so I will just click on it. You see this download arrow? This is where you would click to download your video to your device. Okay, the video is downloaded. Let me open it, see what it looks like. Okay, so can you guys see that the video quality and everything is good? Now you can just play around with this. This is unlimited, so go ahead and generate as many as you want, because since I've been using this, I've never hit any limit walls. But if you have used this particular AI tool before and you have ever hit any limit, please let us know in the comment section. Okay, now it comes with watermark, but this watermark can easily zoom in when editing your videos and remove all the watermarks. So if you are creating African folktale stories, you can use this to create some videos, or if you are even creating AI videos that requires dialogues and you want to do some overlays and don't want to waste your credits in other AI tools that I mentioned, you can just generate the voiceover and then animate your videos here and still use it together with your AI tools. Because if you watched my last tutorial, this particular scene where Obinna was shooting that I put in the story, I actually generated the video here, and some of the videos that I used as overlay in that video, I actually generated some of the videos in this particular AI tool. Okay, so please, if there are other AI tools that are free as of today, you can please let us know in the comment section so that we can also all learn and explore these AI tools. Because even though we go for the paid plan, we can all agree that sometimes the paid plan is still not enough, for those of us that create AI videos. And if you have not given me a thumbs up, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on subsequent videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.